What's going on, everybody? My name is DJ Carlo and welcome to the second Scratch With Me video. So for the new people here, let me briefly explain how this concept works. It works like this. I'll play a beat, then I'll do a specific scratch combo for 8 or 16 beats, and then I'll let the beat just play and I'll stop scratching. When I stop scratching, it'll be your turn to start scratching. So try to emulate the scratch combo I just did for about 8 or 16 beats. Once you're done doing that, I'll come back in and do a brand new scratch combo for you guys to emulate. So for this video, we'll be focusing on our forwards, stabs, and chirps. So grab your laptop, grab your controller, grab some popcorn, and download this beat, and let's begin. I don't know why you need the popcorn though.